Hello traders, and welcome back to our Cubes analysis class here again tonight on Wednesday, June 13th of 2012. And Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Rockfin Mentoring Program. So let's take a look at our chart and let's see what we see happening here. Wow, nothing really exciting. Yeah, as you can see, we're still stuck in between those areas of resistance up here, 63.50, and then the low area support down here, 61.68, as well as those moving averages. So we are still putting on a base, okay? We're still building some momentum in here, getting ready for a major move one way or the other. If we do ever break through the 63.50 as we talked about yesterday, and then if we would ever close above it, we could head all the way higher to the next area of resistance on our way up here, the 50-day moving average, which is at 64.37. And then if we do ever break back through the 61.68 area support to the downside and close the day below it, we could head all the way down to the next area of support right here, 60.67. So that is what you should be looking for and watching for the rest of this week. And then check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is staying flat above the zero line in the bullish territory, which means that it's confirming that little sideways motion right here on the Qs on the chart. Okay, so the MACD is showing exactly the same thing, but we're keeping it up above the zero line in the bullish territory, and we are slowing down here on the chart. So that is a pretty nice confirmation. That's what it typically happens once we are in the sideways motion or in the tight trading range right here. The MACD tends to slow down in here a little bit and get flat. So that is what we do see here. And then the volume, wow, pretty nice in here. We've been keeping it up here slightly below the average, but still pretty decent volume, higher than the previous two bars that we had here 4 days ago. That was the first bar, but we're keeping it up here pretty nicely, staying slightly below the average. But what I'm looking for is a spike in volume if we do ever get a breakout one way or the other. All right, so that is what you have to pay close attention to the rest of this week, those areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today. Also, remember to look down at the MACD to make sure it's confirming everything we see happening on the chart, and look for spikes in volume. All right, so enjoy the rest of your day, evening. Safe trading to all of you, and I will see you back in class tomorrow.